Welcome back, everybody. We are back on Silverrun Forest. It is October the 1st. The soybeans are ready to harvest. So we are going to jump in on that and get started.
I'm grabbing the truck.
We're going to take first a combine. I guess so.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the truck and trailer over there and park it. Then I'll come back for the combine.
Man, my combine's got paint missing on it like crazy. I'm going to get a paint job on this thing. Let's drag it with this janky header that don't like to pull properly.
Yeah.
A little bit too short of a spout for the swathing device on the back of this thing. But that's all right. It's better than me having to drive around the front. I should choose a tractor, but oh well. I'm just gonna pull straight in and start over here on this backfield. Oh man, look at all the hail damage.
Yeah, there's plenty of that.
Seeing 3 spots straight off the bat. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 looks like. Yeesh. We
Yeah,
took
the hill
some
is getting rough.
we took some serious damage on that run. Alright, soybeans are going in. Let's get some close-up shots here. I think we should have kept track of how many years we've been playing this map.
We've been on here quite a few years.
Yeah. Whoops. Missed the streak. Back up and get that. Man. Missed the streak again. I'm about to let it hang over the edge a good bit here.
That's the first cut since we made the field bigger.
Yeah. Get a zoom out here. Field has been enlarged. Not a lot, but decent amount. Pretty close to the water.
Yeah. Yeah, just maximizing property, really.
Yeah. Just realized the big old square spot that I painted is over here. Probably
Yeah.
should have cleaned that up a bit. Got some weeds we need to mow around the edge over here. I think I'll just take the regular mower on that.
Yeah, the other mower seems to permanently delete the grass,
Yeah,
and I'm not sure if the standard mower does that.
I don't know either.
It
Something we'll have to
shouldn't
test
because
and see.
once I start planting grass, I'm supposed to be able to just keep harvesting every time it grows. So
I'm not gonna need a lot. I need a lot of dump space for this because they ain't making a lot.
no, soybeans is it's worth more money, but it's lower production,
Yeah, lower yield.
lower yield. That's it. That's why I didn't bring nothing but the semi.
Yeah, we'll just skip the auger wagon and dump straight into it.
Yep. Oh, we're at 0.5 speed again.
Whoops. Go back to 3x. I keep forgetting about that.
At least we didn't have no tornado damage.
Yeah, not on the fields at least. I'm gonna make
Oh,
a slow turn here so it don't make a weird corner.
yeah, I think I'm about to start cutting straight up and down. Otherwise, I'm gonna start gaining on you.
Yeah. Taking the inside lane, you outrun them.
Yep.
I'm start going up and down on this side then. Another spot of hail damage. Wiped out a pretty good bit of crop too. Definitely tell the numbers wasn't counting up as fast when I went through it.
Yeah. Does some significant damage.
I'm gonna go over here and grab this spot that I missed. Not a lot, but hey.
I missed one little spot over there myself, turning.
I got him. We already got hail damage. We don't need loss and missing damage there.
Yeah. I'm at 80%.
I'm at 91.
Oh,
Look at that. You missed those 2 liters.
yeah. I'm gonna go back and get them. It was 1 liter actually.
I'm at 94%. Might as well dump when I go by.
Well, you got that header still turning.
I was doing the hard move. Come up with a header behind. Filled up the whole back.
Yep.
I still had like 40% left in mine. Got the 78% filling up the middle.
Yeah, we'll probably end up having to dump the trailer, but that's all right.
Yep. At least we don't have to move so many vehicles, so.
Yep. Question is, should we buy that little plot of land and go ahead and place our sawmill?
We can. I'll go ahead and take that load of logs over there and let it start producing something.
Yeah, if we can place our log cabin and start
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
hauling
do
stuff
some
to it.
land work leveling on that one. May have to place it, sell it, fix the land, and then place it again.
Well, I mean, it ain't about 1,000, so that ain't an issue.
Yeah. That way I can see what needs leveling out, what needs fixing.
Yeah, I figure we could go ahead and buy the land, place the sawmill, get it going, and
I'm
have
not
it
paying attention to
done.
where I'm going, so heads up.
Mm-mm.
I'm getting some drone shots here. Quite a few spots of hail damage in this field too.
Yeah. think I parked the truck in the way.
Yeah, I noticed that a while ago. I was like, the truck's kind of close, but I'll cut a few strips right across the front and open it up.
That's what I should have did.
I cut 2 strips. That should be plenty wide enough.
Yep. Plenty of room. Almost done.
Yep. Couple more strips. Couple more passes. Whatever. Huh? was it? Make the 99%.
I hit 93.
17,967 of 17,800.
I hit
Wait a minute.
18.6.
I missed a few spots here. Probably won't even make one later, but I'll grab them. Oh, 17,968. Ain't no way this truck's gonna hold both of us.
Nope.
That was it.
I'm just gonna leave that sitting right there and drive the truck, dump it, and come back.
Okay. It works. We can get my pipe out too. First load of soybeans off of these fields going to the silo. Do we have any soybeans?
Yeah, we had some. I forget how much.
28,000. 209,000 is a corn left. 28,284. We'll see how much we get off of this.
Well, here goes 51.8 right here.
I got 11,600 left in mine.
I think I had 8,000 left in mine.
Need to upgrade to the 70,000 liter trailer too. Our fields are getting big enough that thing's filling up too fast.
Yeah. Or just buy another one of these one. But then that's even more stuff to haul around.
Yeah. Getting 20,000 liters out of a bigger trailer. 20 something thousand. Let's go look. It goes from 51.8 to 75.6. So yeah, 24,000 almost. Oh, yours is pouring to the side.
Yeah.
To tilt your little spout straight down a little bit. All right. That's all, folks. I'm just gonna drive my header straight across the road right here and park it. Ain't no traffic. That thing does not like to sit down with them wheels up.
I'm going to pull this thing up to the pressure washer.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. Get it all cleaned up for the next season.
Now I got to go get the truck.
And I'll pressure wash both of these then. Yeah, my paint is wearing off big time. How much it'll take to repaint this thing? Oh man. We're outside the hose line.
Oh, so we made around 70,000 liters
Went from
soybeans.
28 to 80, 84 right now. That's how much you got when you dump that last bit. Oh, I got trapped between the rail and that time.
What? No spare capacity for soybeans.
No spare capacity. Oh no.
We done filled the silo up.
Apparently.
I thought that thing held like 5 million liters.
I don't remember which one it is, do you?
I don't know, but it says Unia on the side of it, or Unia, or however you would pronounce
Pharma
that.
800 plus OB 1000. Okay.
Might have to buy an extension.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I don't even see the one that we got. Skip it. There it is. 800,000 liters is what it says.
Well, I guess we got it full.
Ain't
So we
no
need
way we got 800,000
well,
liters
we
in
got
there.
almost 300,000 liters of corn in it.
Got 160,000 of barley.
Yeah.
How much hundred throw is sorghum? I guess we do. B.
Buy an extension and sit there beside it, I guess.
Some things are expensive, yeah. There's 500,000 liters for $42,000 and 980,000 for 72 and 1.1 million for 84. $1,000. The cheapest one would be a little short one, 42,000.
It's either that or I take this over there and sell the last little 4,000 liters of soybeans and buy that land and buy our sawmill and then build up the money and buy the extension because it'll be a little while before we plant again.
Ain't got no room to place no extension anyways. So yeah, either that or sell some corn one.
You know what? That's a good idea.
So we do have
I
290,000
think
liters
it's
in
on
this.
it's not on a very high. Let's see if we got anything
No,
that's on. It's on really low, actually.
we ain't got nothing that's on the high. at all.
Nope.
Barley is the closest one at 568 versus 670, so it's $100 off. But we had the most corn, so I figured we'd get rid of it. But it's like really low.
I'm gonna sell 20,000 liters of barley, and just because, yeah.
Okay. Then see if we can dump that soybean back in there. Yep. Yeah, I guess we filled that 800,000 liter bin up.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start selling our grain on when the next high comes up on the corn. At least get rid of most of the corn for sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you want to buy that land and place a sawmill so we can have it done, that's up to you.
All right, we're getting that little bitty plot over there at the side, right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, wrong button. We are going to buy 32 for $25,152. And put us a sawmill.
Yeah, $300,000.
Yeah. But we're going to start production to make everything, so you know.
Just make sure you set it up to where we can go pick up our.
Yeah, I don't know what's the loading spot and what's the pickup spot, to be honest with you. Plus, I need to see how level the ground is.
It was pretty level when I looked at it.
Don't seem too bad. I think I'm gonna put it on the back side there,
Let's see
close
how
to
much
that
the
tree.
soybeans make. Oh, barley.
That'll give us plenty enough room to get up here, turn around, drop stuff off, pick stuff up, etc. Gonna cost us $300,915.
Well, I made a little bit of money back off the soybeans, so we're at 352. I mean barley. I keep saying soybeans for some reason.
Got soybeans on the brain.
I'm tired.
Placing item. Woo! That made
Wasn't too unlevel because it only cost $634 extra dollars.
it was a little bit funky there. I need to go in and level that out, so I'm really. Oh no.
What?
It put an upraise right on the unloading part to where we pick up our stuff.
Hmm. Maybe we should have checked and see if they had a mod like we had in 22 where it unloaded everything under the shed.
Yeah, they had one similar to that.
Probably would have been cheaper too, but oh well. If we
Yeah.
decide to replace it later, we can.
All right, I got it looking decent. Try not to spend too much money, but I'm trying to make it where we can get to the spot to pick it up. That leveling. I guess we need to put some gravel down too, don't we?
Yeah, you can.
I just lift that up off the ground? I hope I didn't. Painting road pebbles. Alright. Let's come in here. Get us a baseline down. I'll delete the concrete. I don't know how much it'll take to put some gravel down, but we'll go around the lot here. And
Putting down like gravel and stuff is cheap.
compared to leveling or smoothing, yeah.
I'm pressure washing the headers
Okay.
while you're doing that.
All right. Got us a nice little gravel drive up here. I need to soften this some. I think I softened it too much. Let's go back into level here. Oh, no. I need you to pick up a little bit, not shrink down. Alright, now we can soften. Not like I wanted it, but it'll work. A little bit of an upraise on that bridge, but I think
I seem to have had an issue.
An issue?
Yeah, I'm stuck to the pressure washer.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
I can stop engine and it don't let go of it.
Try teleporting to a vehicle.
There we go.
All right. Where's the semi?
Down there on the iron ore.
I'm gonna take them logs up there. I'm gonna need it. We're definitely gonna have to buy another semi front for sure.
Yeah, I've been waiting on one to go in the shop, but no luck so far.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take our first load of logs up there and see how it is to drive it. And get these logs off this trailer in the yard.
Question is, do you want to place the house log cabin?
We'll see on that one.
Then you can see what you need to start production in the sawmill.
Yeah. I'll place it when I get back with these, dumping these logs. As long as I don't start anything, it won't take the logs. We can also try making a boat too.
Yeah, we'll do that eventually for sure. Got to build a roller coaster too.
Yeah. Once we get all the wood for the house, I guess we'll start on the roller coaster. I'm having some lag.
Hmm.
A bit of lag.
Yeah, I think it caused an issue because I tried to s- stop engine on the pressure washer while I was in the middle of pushing it.
Oh. Oh man, this truck does not like going up this hill with a load of logs. Come on, little truck, you can do it. Hope this is where I'm actually supposed to drop off the logs and not pick up. Let's find out. No. The unloading spot is over here on the side where I thought the pickup spot was. Well, that puts a slight damper on my placement.
Yeah, you should have knew the longer one would be the drop off point.
Yeah, it's not. It's the shorter.
No, I'm talking about the longer one is the not you dropping off, but the production drop off.
Uh, I
But
was
that still ain't
thinking.
too bad.
I was thinking vice versa. Is it auto taking the load?
We can come in with some gravel and gravel that spot in and make it where you can turn early and pull straight in there. You're just strapping the logs down.
That's because the whole trailer is running away. I can't enter something to get anything going. I don't know how to drop off at this place, yeah.
I don't know. I've never used that sawmill.
There's the management point. I can access that. But I cannot drop off the logs for anything. Let's put them in here at the edge and then oops, wrong thing. See if I can actually do anything. Hope this thing doesn't take wood shavings to make stuff. No, it says wood.
I don't think you got it backed in there far enough.
I had it back further than that a minute ago, and it didn't do nothing.
It should automatically take them, should it not?
I was
Or
hoping.
is it going to make us unload them and set them on the ground?
Cause it ain't taking them. And this one over here didn't take them either. Whoops, easy there.
Because this shows like dumping,
Yeah.
like a dump trailer. So they may have to set on the ground.
Man. We're gonna put a sawmill in that I can't even use. Oh, that's lovely. I'm gonna have to have my wheel loader up here to unload them onto it.
Either that or we sell that one for now and go see what we can find later, and then
Yeah, I
we'll just
looked
stick.
last time and I couldn't find it. And ain't that many people didn't make the logging mod. Not on Mod Hub.
How about a sawmill?
Yeah, that's what I mean. There was none. Except for like one combination when I looked at.
Well, I guess we can end the video there and work on this.
Yep, I think we're gonna call it right there, buddy. We're gonna have to figure out something for this sawmill. I didn't expect it to have to be hand loaded, so we're gonna call it here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. We will hopefully get this figured out and get everything set up for the next video. And we will catch y'all next time.